Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon GO from home. Start by enabling items like incense and lure modules to attract spawns nearby. Use buddy interactions and research tasks to collect candy and rewards consistently. Coordinate remote raids and trades with friends through chat to access rare Pokémon. Manage battery by lowering screen brightness and using battery saver modes during long sessions to stay online comfortably. In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon GO from home. Focus on stacking daily bonuses like first catch of the day and research streaks to grow quickly. Trade strategically to get needed candies and regionals without traveling far. Use remote raid passes for powerful raids and invite friends to increase chances of rare captures. Keep a routine for spinning Piquet stops via friends and using Adventure Sync for passive progress. In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon GO from home. Prioritize account security and avoid unauthorized tools that can cause suspensions. Use Adventure Sync to collect distance while you move naturally and keep your account active. Schedule play sessions around in-game events and community hours to maximize rare spawns. Keep your device optimized for longer play by closing unused apps and managing notifications for focus and battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.